Welcome learner in our science class for 5th standard. Today we will start our new topic, that is the spoilage and wastage of food. And in this video we will mainly discuss about the spoilage and its causes. So let us start now. Annam par Brahma Svarupam says our Indian philosophy. This means that our great saints regarded the food as a form of God. However, many of us do not respect and follow this old saying, and this result is that millions of tons of food is being spoiled and wasted. And when a large number of our fellow beings are not getting even the two square of meals means a full balanced satisfied diet. Learner, you know that food is our basic necessity or we can't survive without food. As we know that we all eat the variety of food in our diet, and our mother go to the grocery shop and buy the different food item like fruits and vegetable, milk, etc. And whenever your mothers come back from shopping, what do you observe? She put fruits, vegetables and milk in the refrigerator. Why she do this? We just notice that if food is not stored properly, it gets spoiled. So what is the spoilage? Spoilage can be defined as undesirable change occurring in food and make it unfit for eating or consumption. So to understand the meaning of spoilage, let us perform an activity. Take a piece of bread or chapati, sprinkle some water on it and keep it on the kitchen shelf. Observe it after 2 or 3 days. You can see a fluffy growth of blue green patches on it. And this is a bread mold, and you can see this bread mold on this bread and chapati which spoil this bread. A bread mold is a kind of fungus that can easily grow in the presence of moisture and warmth. So, moisture and warmth can support or help in the growth of this bread mold, and these molds are a type of fungus, and you can easily see that due to this mold our food get easily spoiled. So now I will explain the different causes of spoilage of food. First, the microorganism. The microorganism are the organism that cannot seen by naked eye and it can observe under only the microscope. And the tiny organism like bacteria and fungi are the main cause of the spoilage of food. And these organisms grow very fast in the presence of moisture and warmth. The activity that is given on your textbook or that we have already done, you must observe that moisture and warmth are the two main factors of for the growth of mold or these microorganisms. Thus, to prevent the food from getting spoiled, we need to remove the moisture from the food item. That is, we have to dry it. And second thing, the perishable food items which spoil very fastly like milk, meat, fruits and vegetable, we should keep those food items at the low temperature or in the refrigerator to reduce the chance of growth of microorganism. And dear student, microorganisms are also the living organism like us, and they do not bear very high and very low temperature. So when we kept them at the low temperature, they can't multiply or grow. Now I will explain the second cause that are the enzyme. The first cause was the microorganism, and the second cause of the spoilage of food are the enzyme. So many times you have seen that the fruits and vegetables are firstly green in color and sour or bitter in taste, and due to the presence of enzyme, their color and taste change. And so the enzymes are the chemical that are present in all fruits and vegetables which causes their ripening. And these enzymes are very useful because they causes the ripening of fruits. So the enzymes are responsible for ripening, and they speed up the ripening of fruits and vegetables. But due to the over ripening caused by the enzyme, result in the loss of color, texture and flavor. And finally, they also causes the over ripening and result in the spoilage of food. So that we should keep fruits and vegetables at low temperature or in the refrigerator to slow down the activity of, of enzymes and prevent the spoilage. Dear student, not only the microorganism or enzyme are always responsible for the spoilage of food, but there are the other like insect, worms and rat also responsible for spoilage of food. And these animals make their home in the dark and moist places where the food items are easily available. Like we store our food item in cupboards, shelves and container. If these places are unclean, moist and dark, the animals such as worms, insect and rat make their home and causes the spoilage. So it is always advised to store the food item in a clean and dry places so that animals do not make their home at the places where they stored. So this is all about the causes of spoilage of food. So learners, spoilage means the damage caused due to the presence of microorganism, enzyme or insect or rat, and this spoilage makes the food no longer fit for eating, and this spoilage of food leads to the wastage because when it is not fit for eating we throw it and lead to its wastage. So do not waste the food, only the buy what you can consume, cook it with care and serve just enough and save what will we keep and eat the food would spoil, and also go to the home green is the best. So follow these practices and do not waste the food. Thank you. Have a nice day.